Dear students, today we are going to study respiration in organisms. So why do we respire? We respire in order to get what? Energy from food. See, what happens, you can see also while heavy exercise you respire, you breathe out fastly. Okay, while you are sleeping or you are at rest, your respiration or breathing goes what? Slow. This is because of the requirement of the energy of the body. Okay, so mainly we respire what? To get energy from the food. From this energy from the food, where is this food stored where the respiration takes place or where energy is produced? It is in what? In the cells of the body, isn't it? This cells consists of what? The digested food, this food which we have taken in. It has been digested and it has been stored in the cells. Cells are what? The structure and functional unit of life. Why? Because it is the smallest part of the cell is the smallest part, which is the functional unit. Okay, so here this cellular respiration, why we are saying cellular respiration? Because this respiration takes place in what? The cell. This digested food is in the cell. This oxygen which we breathe in, it oxidizes the food present in the cell, isn't it? And so it is known as what? Cellular respiration. So what is cellular respiration? It is the process of breakdown of food, okay, in the cell with the release of energy. Okay, what it is doing? It is breaking down the food or burning the food or oxidizing the food present in the cell to what? To give or to release energy. Okay, this cellular respiration, when we are talking about, okay, it is of two types, aerobic and anaerobic. As the name suggests, aerobic means what? In the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so aerobic respiration, when breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen. Actually, glucose is what? The simplified form or the digested form of the food which is present in the cells of the body of the organism. Here this glucose is what? Or the food is what? Broken down in the presence of what? Oxygen. So the formula becomes what? Glucose in the presence of oxygen. Okay, it gives out what? Carbon dioxide which you breathe out. Okay, carbon dioxide plus water plus what it gives out? Energy. Okay. Second is the anaerobic respiration. As the name suggests, here oxygen is not present. So what happens here? It is defined as when food is broken down without using oxygen. It means oxygen is not present. So this we can see aerobic respiration in ourselves. But anaerobic respiration, where do you see? We can see in the microorganisms like yeast and other bacteria and all. Okay, you can even see in our muscles also in the anaerobic respiration when heavy exercise is done. Okay, so when it is taking place in case of the microorganisms like yeast and all, what happens? This glucose which is present in their cell, in the absence of oxygen, it is converted into what? Alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. Here energy amount which is liberated is less than the energy amount liberated in what? The aerobic respiration. In muscle cells, I said to you right now, what happens? Anaerobic respiration takes place for short duration, but when we do heavy exercise, what happens? You try to do this activity. When you do very heavy exercise, what happens? You get cramps on your legs, isn't it? And it starts paining. This is because here what has happened, the glucose present in the muscle cell, okay, what has happened to it? Partial breakdown has taken place because there is no oxygen. And what happened? It has formed what? Lactic acid and energy. Small amount of energy is released out. At that time, you will see that what happens, you will breathe also fast while doing exercise because you need more amount of energy. And when you need more amount of energy, you start breathing at a higher rate. But the oxygen which is present in the air is not sufficient. And what happens? Your respiration takes place, starts anaerobically. And this glucose partially breaks down into lactic acid and small amount of energy. This lactic acid which is formed in your calf muscle cells of water, the leg, in this it creates pain, cramps are there. So how can this be relieved? So after the exercise, if a person takes hot water bath or a massage, what happens? In the circulation, the oxygen now is more easily supplied, and as a result, this oxygen turns this lactic acid into what? Carbon dioxide and water, and the person gets released from the pain. So after every heavy exercise, massage and taking hot water bath is beneficial for the person, because in this now oxygen will be supplied and lactic acid will be then broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Now coming to breathing. Breathing is a part of respiration, because respiration consists of breathing plus what? Breathing plus what? Plus breathing plus oxidation of food. In your language you can also say breakdown of food. Okay. So here breathing, I'll see it is what is breathing? You all breathe, isn't it? So breathing means just taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is known as what? Breathing. Okay, so breathing is completed in two steps: inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation, when we are saying, it means we are taking in what? The air containing oxygen, and exhalation means we are giving out carbon dioxide, which is released after the oxidation of food. Okay, so here what is breathing rate then? Breathing rate is the number of times a person breathes in a minute. Okay, so when we are saying breathing rate, it varies. Okay, because while what happens during exercise, during fast running, what happens? You all breathe fast, you all inhale fast and exhale fast. Okay, but during sleep or during rest, it is not the same condition. The inhalation and exhalation process is slow, isn't it? So we can say that this one breath, if we are saying one breath or a breath, means what? Exhalation plus inhalation, because these two complete are breathing. Okay, a breath is completed by inhalation and exhalation. Okay, now generally at rest, breathing rate is how much? Have you counted, students, any time? No, I don't think so. You all count and see, it comes nearly 15 to 18 per minute. Okay, 15 to 18 times you breathe per minute. But while during exercise or while running, this figure increases to 25 times per minute. Okay, so breathing rate varies on your work. If you are doing some heavy work, running, exercise, it will increase. And if you are at rest, you are sleeping, then it will be what? Slow. Okay. So this is all for today. Take care.